Luxury doesn't shout. It whispers, with confidence. In 2026, Mercedes-Maybach isn't just redefining electric SUVs, it's building a rolling sanctuary. A place where silence becomes status. And elegance becomes electrified. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV, and it might just be the quietest revolution on four wheels. Welcome to DriveVerse, where cinematic engineering meets storytelling. Let's step inside the electric palace. From the outside, the EQS Maybach doesn't beg for attention. It commands it. The design is unmistakably Maybach, a blend of restrained class and chrome-dipped confidence. Vertical slats on a faux grille evoke heritage, while sleek light bars and animated LED signatures whisper future. And yes, two-tone paint is back. From deep obsidian blacks over champagne silver, to moody burgundies over nautical blues, every colorway screams bespoke wealth. 20-inch wheels. That's cute. This Maybach comes standard with 22-inch forged alloys, uniquely tuned for ride comfort and visual impact. Every curve, every flourish, every brushed metal accent, sculpted not just for beauty, but serenity. But once the soft closed doors seal, the real magic begins. Welcome to silence. The cabin is nothing short of a sensory retreat. And the materials? The finest leathers, sustainable open-pore woods, real metal trims, and a cabin scent developed exclusively for this model. It's not just comfort. It's curated indulgence. The rear seats are the true throne. Fully reclining. Massaging. Heated and cooled. With neck and shoulder warmers. A custom-made MBUX Hyperscreen sweeps across the dash, while rear passengers enjoy their own personal OLED displays, privacy curtains, and active noise cancellation so advanced, it erases the world outside. This isn't an SUV. It's a first-class cabin on wheels. Underneath this serenity is serious engineering. The 2026 EQS Maybach is powered by a dual-motor AWD setup, producing over 650 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. That means 0 to 60 in under 4.2 seconds, in a 6,000-pound electric limousine. But here's the twist, you'll never feel it. The power is tuned for silk, not shock. Ride comfort is tuned by AIRMATIC adaptive air suspension with road-sensing dampers and rear-wheel steering, making this SUV surprisingly agile despite its size. It doesn't handle like a yacht. It glides like one. Range anxiety? Not here. Thanks to a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, the EQS Maybach delivers over 370 miles of real-world range. And with ultra-fast DC charging, 80% comes in under 30 minutes. And if you're not driving, your chauffeur can recharge while you recline, sip champagne, and watch stars on the optional panoramic roof with active light dimming tech. Maybach didn't just add power to EQS. They re-engineered luxury. Technology. As expected, next level. Mercedes MBUX infotainment is smarter, more responsive, and now reads facial expressions to adjust lighting, music, or climate. Voice commands are intuitive. Gesture controls are instant. There's even an AI concierge, tuned to understand preferences and patterns. Like a digital butler that never sleeps. Augmented reality navigation floats directional arrows onto the windshield. And biometric ID lets each passenger log into their own personal Maybach experience. But what truly sets the EQS Maybach apart is the feeling. There's no engine noise. No gear shifts. Just pure, instant torque and serene momentum. Every road feels smoother. Every turn, easier. Every second, quieter. It doesn't shout its presence. It doesn't need to. When you arrive in a Maybach, people already know who you are. Let's compare. A Bentley Bentayga EWB is opulent, but still rides on ICE bones. A Rolls-Royce Spectre. Beautiful, but not as practical. a Tesla Model X Plaid. Fast, but lacks soul. The 2026 EQS Maybach SUV isn't chasing speed or flash. It's chasing peace. And it's winning. Price? Starts at around $200,000, but customization can easily push it over $250,000. For clientele who never ask for the price, only the experience. This isn't about horsepower, or 0 to 60, or carbon fiber. This is about presence. You don't drive the Maybach EQS. You arrive in it. So, is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV the future of electric luxury? Or has luxury finally found its future? Tell us what you think in the comments. Would you take this over a Bentley, a Rolls, or even a Lucid Air Sapphire? And if your soul craves cinematic car content that blends storytelling with precision, subscribe to DriveVerse. We're not just reviewing cars. We're archiving legends. Thanks for riding with us. We'll see you in the quiet lane.